filming the train ride class, South West Railways class 458 from Sunningdale station. Here we are, heading towards Virginia Water. This one's going to London Waterloo. This is from Reading to London Waterloo. It's a 458 525. We're only at Sunningdale, this is the service train. I would take any carriage. We'll take this one.
This is Sunningdale. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train.
Oh, nice and comfy. Oh, there we are. Well, goodbye Sunningdale.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Longcross.
The least used station in Surrey. And this is the last train.
The next station is Longcross. If you're leaving the train at the next station, you'll need to be in the front 7 coaches of this 10-coach train. And so this is due to a short platform. The next station is Longcross.
This station, Longcross, is the least used station in Surrey. After the other ones, I've seen trains stopping at least used stations. But I'm going to get ready so we can see it. I can show you. So I can show it to the viewers.
The train at the next station must be in the front 7 coaches.
See, viewers, going to be the front 7. Longcross is the least used station in Surrey. This is now approaching Longcross, the least used station in Surrey. Maybe why is it called the least used station? It has a few trains per day, and they only open Mondays to Fridays. I think maybe the odd chance on a Saturday, but I do not know. I'll have a look when I get home. Longcross. Do you want to go around that one, that door, or this one? Just take let's have a look at it. Okay. I'm not supposed to do this, but this is to show the viewers what it's like to be at a least used station in Surrey. What's it called? The least used station. There we go, viewers. The least used station in Surrey. This is Longcross. There you go. There we go, viewers. That was the least used station in Surrey. It's called Longcross. There you go, viewers. This is Longcross, the least used station in Surrey. There you go. Welcome to Longcross. I'm saying goodbye to Longcross. Yeah, and this is the last train of the tonight. You can do some walking here, but it's very likely you can get very far. Just like Burnley Arms in Surrey, in Norfolk. You only have 3 trains a day from Burnley Arms.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Virginia Water.
ticket inspector. Change my bed.
What's that for? Okay. So I haven't proactive. What would you do?
Just wait for your turn there, okay?
Okay. Southwest, southwestern.
Hello, mate.
This train is now approaching Virginia.
How many trains stop at Longcross? Just want to know that, so.
I couldn't tell you, to be honest.
Oh. Here's the least used station in Surrey, isn't it?
Sorry.
The least used station in Longcross, isn't it?
At the moment, yeah. Sorry, you got your ticket there?
Yeah, I have, yeah. He has it as well. We're just heading back to Brookwood by we're just heading back to Brookwood by Virginia, so.
Okay, sorry, I didn't see your ticket when you
Yeah.
Sorry.
There you go, sir.
That's fine, thank you very much.
Sorry, viewers, it was just a ticket inspector wanted to see my ticket.
They used to be, yeah.
I want them to keep them. What, I mean?
I don't.
Why?
They're not very good to work. No.
What's that?
Because I've only got a door panel there, and in the middle of the train. So, you're not recording anything there.
No. Just a nice train. We're getting off here now.
Oh, yeah.
Can't they keep them?
I don't think they want to.
It's dead
Why
shows.
are they keeping the 707?
They're not keeping 707.
The ones that they're going to replace all the trains
There you go, viewers. Here's a luxury first class travel. You can always have these for your dining car experiences, but I don't think that's not going to happen.
Where do you use to buy these trains?
I don't know where they're going.
What time are you finishing tonight?
2 o'clock.
Oh my god!
2 o'clock tonight?
Wow. Bloody hell. Luckily, I'm not applying for that Southwestern Road job.
I'm not going to do that, no way.
Sorry, viewers, we're just talking about the Southwestern Road jobs.
Yeah.
In case it's our local place. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Take care. Here we are, viewers. We're at Virginia Water. This is where we're changing trains to get to Wadebridge.
That's what I call it, Joe, there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to call it?
What?
Virginia bloody water.
There you go, viewers. It's heading for away. There you go. It's heading for London Waterloo. Yeah. There she goes. There you go, the London Waterloo bound. Bye, Mr. God. There she goes. Yeah, oh, that's the 707 going to do a stop service in Waterloo. There we go.